So when you get to this Activity 1.9 website, I just want to point out a couple of things. The first one is going to be these resources right here. So this is the PowerPoint that we looked at in class that just kind of looks at different types of research. Really pay attention to this one right here, this product design evolution. In here, there is a great example of what this should look like for you. So if we scroll through, here's where it kind of starts the actual example. So they're going to look at the toothbrush. And notice they start out with the first toothbrush they could find. So this is the invention of the toothbrush. Then they go through and they talk about some of the major innovations. So the bristles on the toothbrush, some Americans that had some inventions, nylon bristles, the electric toothbrush, ergonomic designs, and some other advancements. At the end, they put their references. Those are kind of the biggest things that I want you to include in this is the invention and then 3 or 4 innovations and how this has changed. And then you also have access to the rubric here. Now down here, you've got all these different options, everything from analog brakes to calculators, bicycles. All of these are really good ones. Some students have had trouble with Kevlar, so be careful if you want to try Kevlar, you can do it, but some students have had trouble with that one. If you have a different idea that you'd like to try, just let me know. I wouldn't bother recording anything here. I don't know if I can even see that. So step 2 here is just doing your research. Look for all of these things. When was the product invented, all that kind of stuff. What improvements were made, that's going to be a big one. As you go ahead and prepare your PowerPoint, though, your actual presentation, again, keep in mind, you want the original invention and you want these major innovations. You're going to create a timeline and detail these major innovations. I don't want you to spend a whole lot of time in the presentation talking about this kind of stuff. Those are just general things to kind of get you started. Talk about the invention, talk about the innovations that have happened. And that's going to be in a PowerPoint or a Google slide that you're going to be turning in.